Hi, Tony Vernetti with Enphase Energy here. It's often the case that the main electrical panel of a home needs to be upgraded when installing solar, especially when batteries are included. And in California, now with NEM 3.0, batteries are essential for maximizing utility savings, since the big three utilities don't give much credit for solar energy going back to the grid during the day anymore. So homeowners need a battery so that they can save that excess solar energy and use it during the evening peak period when prices are high. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the benefits of Enphase Power Control and how it can be used to avoid doing a main panel upgrade. First, you need to know that Enphase Power Control is UL approved and accepted by nearly all AHJs across the country. So it's common during the process of creating a solar and battery estimate that the salesperson first determines the optimal solar and battery system size for a homeowner. Then, the main electrical panel is evaluated, and it's sometimes discovered that the rating of the panel is insufficient for the proposed system according to National Electrical Code. A typical 200 amp panel like this one can accommodate up to about 5 kilowatts of solar and a 5 to 10 kilowatt hour Enphase battery, which is a smaller system than most California homeowners need. Historically, a customer who needed a larger system than their electrical panel can handle would have to replace their entire panel with a new one with a higher capacity at a cost of several $1,000s. This can make it harder to fit the customer's budget, and if the need for an upgrade is discovered after the contract is signed, it will likely result in a change order and maybe even a cancellation. So how can Enphase Power Control help? Power Control uses software and electricity meters to ensure that a safe amount of electricity for the existing main panel is never exceeded. This is possible because the Enphase Energy System can control the amount of solar and battery power output instantly, which means you can install more solar and battery power than would normally be allowed. Power Control can be used to avoid main panel upgrades for solar-only systems, grid-tied solar and battery systems without backup, and solar and battery systems with backup. There are important design considerations for each of these scenarios, so please visit the links in the description below for additional training and documentation. Other applications of Enphase Power Control include increasing the maximum battery capacity of a system up to 80 kilowatt hours, also avoiding utility transformer upgrades, and changing the battery to an export-only mode, which is beneficial for California homeowners under NEM 3.0. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.